Okay, today I thought we'd do something a little bit different. I have a guitar pick here. This one is a factory-made guitar pick, and this one is a recycled guitar pick that I made out of an old gift card. So what you'll need for this is an old gift card. Make sure it's not one that has any credit on it. Talk to someone in your family to make sure it's old and not needed anymore. A Sharpie or some way to mark on the card. And then you'll also need a pair of scissors. And remember, when you're using scissors, get permission. If you're younger, maybe get someone to do it for you, but be very careful when you're using scissors, especially cutting these cards, because they're a little thick and sometimes it's hard to get the scissors to go through there. So just be extremely careful. So this is what a guitar pick looks like. It kind of looks like a teardrop, kind of in the shape of a triangle. And here's one that I've cut out earlier. And so we'll try to cut one out now. What we want to do is take our marker. We'll move our scissors out of the way. Let's take our marker, and we're just going to try to draw this shape onto the card. Now I could trace it, but since you don't have this guitar pick at home, or probably don't, then I want to just show you by just drawing one on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the corner of the card here as kind of the point part, and I just want to kind of draw that same shape on here. Now I'm not an artist, but I'll try to draw this on here the best that I can. If it's not quite right, I might go out a little further. That looks a little bit better. And so it's kind of in that triangular shape, kind of a pointy teardrop shape that I'm looking for. Let me get my scissors. And I'll just kind of go around what I've traced. Here's where the tricky part comes in with the scissors, so be very careful. I'm going to cut away from my hand. I'm rounding the corners just a little bit. And there is my pick. Now it's not exactly like the factory-made pick. Very close to the one I've already made from recycling. I can go back and kind of straighten the lines up just a little bit. Get that one a little more straight. Get this one a little more straight. And now I have my pick that I can use when I'm playing the guitar. And as long as I have an old recycled gift card, I can always have a pick that I can make at home. And you can see that you can get several picks out of one card. So you could now lay this design down and trace it out. Let me put it in this corner this time. Now that I have one that's close, I'll just kind of trace around it. And I can cut that one out and have more guitar picks that I could use to play the guitar or to play any stringed instrument that I might have around my house. So that is just kind of a fun way to make some recycled guitar picks.
My name is B.B. Fuzz.